everybody, it's Molly again. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create this little toadstool. It's kind of a pinspiration. I've seen a lot of photos on Pinterest of little toadstools recently and I really wanted to create one, however I couldn't find the pattern to the one that I liked, so I came up with this pattern and I figured I'd share it with all of you guys. So I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial helps you and I'll get right into it. For this project we are going to need a hook, a needle, some scissors and some red and white yarn. I'm using Stylecraft Special DK. So to begin guys, what you want to do is create a slipknot, put your hook in and you want to chain 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And what you want to do is go into the back of the second chain from hook for a single crochet. So put your hook through, yarn over, pull through and go through the 2 loops. And into the next one, hook through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. I like to go into the back loops, it gives a nicer finish, but it also helps later on when you're trying to find the stitches you want to go through. You just want to continue all the way down until you have 10 single crochets in each stitch. Okay, so once you've finished that, all you want to do is chain 1, turn your work, and into the first 2 stitches you are going to do a single crochet decrease. So to do that you just want to put your hook through and over, pull through, go into the next stitch, put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, and then you want to go through all of 3. And then into the next 6 stitches you just want to do a single crochet, until we reach our last 2 stitches, and here you're going to do another single crochet decrease stitch. So hook through, pull up a loop, pull through, and then into the next one, hook through, yarn over, pull through. Oh. Come on, little thing. And then you just want to pull through all 3, and then you're going to chain 1, turn your work. Into the first 2 stitches we're doing a single crochet decrease stitch again, into the next 4 stitches you're going to do a single crochet, and into the last 2 stitches you're going to do a single crochet decrease stitch. And then we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. Into the first 2 stitches you're going to do a single crochet decrease, into the next 2 you're going to do a single crochet, and into the last 2 again a single crochet decrease. And then you are going to chain 1 and turn your work, and into the first 2 for a single crochet decrease, and into the last 2 for a single crochet decrease. Now you can stop here, or you can chain 1 as I'm going to do, and turn your work and go into those last 2 for a last single crochet decrease. Now all you need to do, and you don't need to be a perfectionist about it, is going to anywhere you can get your hook and do a single crochet around. This just helps to soften up the edges. So anywhere and everywhere. It doesn't matter if it's the same on both sides or not. Into this corner, I like to do a couple. And then when you reach the bottom here, you can just do one in each along. And again, into this corner, you can do a couple. So 1 and 2. And then as you got this edge, you can just crochet in the end. And when you get back to the top, all you need to do is slip stitch into one of the chains like that. Now you have our top of the toadstool. All you need to do now is pull up a loop, cut our yarn, and then all you want to do from here is stitch in your ends. And I'll meet you back for the next step. So taking our white yarn, we're going to create a slip knot, and then you want to chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in the second chain from hook, once you've completed your 8, you're going to do a single crochet. So hook through, yarn over, pull through both. Into the next, another single crochet. Into the next one, another single crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to do a half double, so yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through, and pull through all 3. Into the next stitch, another half double crochet. Into the next stitch, a double crochet. And into the last stitch, another double crochet. Okay, sorry for that brief interruption. So we've just done the second double crochet into that last stitch. From here, you want to do 3 half doubles into the bottom of that one again. So 1, 2, and the last one of the 3 double crochets into that stitch. You're going to focus, camera. And then you want to do another double crochet into that stitch. You want to do another double crochet into the stitch over. And into the next stitch we're doing a half double. Pixie! And into the stitch from that, another half double. And then into the last 3 stitches you want to do single crochets. And once you've done that, all you want to do is pull up a loop. Do yourself quite a nice big loop because you want a little bit of extra. So that is the bottom part. And what you want to do now is taking your needle attach it to your tail end, and then what you want to do is place that in the center, turn your work over, and all you want to do is stitch it to the main part and just go through the back of the loops here. And you don't want the white here, at least, to be showing on the front just yet. And make sure you've caught that nice and tight. There we go. And you can tie these ends together just for added security, making sure you don't pull too hard that you curl up the end. There we are. And you can take the rest of this tail end and add your spots to your toadstool. So I'm going to go through here and through here, and you can double up in places to give yourself larger spots. Jazzy, no, leave the bin men alone. Jazzy, come on. Jazz. Jasper. Come on, baby. And you can just add in a few smaller ones just by doing a single strand. I think maybe one more. Just down here. Oop. There we go. And then all you need to do, or all you can do, is tie those ends together at the back. And then snipping those ends. And then we have our final mushroom. And there we have it. All you need to do now is block him, glue the back so he's nice and secure. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating this little mushroom with me, or this little toadstool. It was a fun piece to make for me. I hope you will have a very lovely day. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And I will see you all next time. Bye! I hope you enjoyed the little interesting songs that my dog produced through that.